Dear students, in the matrices chapter, multiplication of two matrices is the one topic which will make you small confusion. To avoid this confusion, I was making this video clip. Just look into this clip and it will help you to solve the exercise problems. Multiplication of two matrices. What is a condition when the matrix multiplication is possible? In what condition the matrix multiplication is not possible? If it is possible, then how can you proceed further? Let's have a look. Let's A is a matrix and B is a matrix. If you multiply these two matrices, then C is a resultant matrix. Like suppose order of matrix A is m by n, order of matrix B is n by p, and the resultant matrix will be m by p. Just I'll repeat once again. Two matrices having orders. Then you need to observe this condition here. These two numbers should be same. In the sense, number of columns of the first matrix is equal to number of rows of the second matrix, then only the matrix multiplication is possible. If not, the matrix multiplication is not possible. Then what is the resultant matrix if it is possible? So m and the p are the remaining numbers. So the resultant order of the matrix will be m by p. Let's go for one example. So for suppose matrix order of matrix A is 2 by 2, order of matrix B is 2 by 1. Then you can observe here these two numbers are same. Then the matrix multiplication is possible. Then resultant matrix will be 2 by 1. These are the remaining two numbers. Coming to, for suppose 2 by 2 is first matrix and 3 by 2 is another matrix. These two numbers are not equal. Then the matrix multiplication is not possible. So you can leave that point. Then go for the small example problems. Example 1. A is a matrix and B is a matrix. If you multiply, find AB. If you multiply these two numbers matrix, then what is the result? Then see here, what is the order of this matrix? Order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Order of this matrix is 2 by 1. Then you can observe here, these two numbers are same. Then the resultant matrix of order 2 by 1. Remaining numbers are 2 by 1. 2 by 1 in the sense 2 rows and 1 columns. So in the sense C11, C21. This is the resultant matrix. Then how to multiply? This multiplication area make you small confusion. Just observe carefully here. This is the element where this element is located, the position of this element, first row, first column. Then this will be second row and the first column, like this. So whenever you want to multiply these two matrices, don't multiply like this. Better, my suggestion, write the matrices like this: A into B, matrix A into matrix B. Then the resultant matrix order is 2 by 1. So I want one element here and one element. Then if you observe here, the element, position of this element will be 1, 1. So I should multiply first row and first column. First row, first column, 1 into 1 and 0 into 3. Then what about this position? So this is the position will be 2, 1. Second row, first column. So second row and the first column has to be multiplied. 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 3, 9. So 3 into 3 is 9. So the resultant matrix will be 11. So 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 3, 9. So the result will be 1, 9. The order of this matrix is 2 by 1. Then go for one more example. So A is a matrix and B is a matrix. If you multiply these two, what is the resultant matrix? Order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Order of this matrix is 2 by 2. So these two numbers are equal. Columns and the rows are equal. Then the resultant matrix is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is nothing but there are 4 elements: 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2. These are the 4 elements. These are the position of the elements. So this is a matrix AB. Then what about this position 1 1? I should multiply first row and first column. First row, first column, 1 into 1, 0 into 2. Then what about the position of this one? 2 1. Sorry, 1 2. First row and the second column. First row, second column. Then so 1 into 2, 2, 0 into 1, 0. Next, this is position of this will be 2 1, means second row, first column. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2, 6. Next, what about the position like this? 2 into 2, second row, second column. Second row, second column. If you multiply, then this is a resultant matrix. With the help of this, you can solve the exercise problems.